Hi, today I am explaining my project remote sensing and controlling of CO2 and greenhouse parameters based on IoT. Now you can introduce each and hardware. Come to the point. This is a transformer. This is step down transfer we are using for controlling the power fluctuation center. This is the motor. We are using servo motor because we need only 45 degrees angular inclination because we need to rotate. We can up to 45 degrees only here. Then we can go for this is a soil sensor. We can detect the moisturization under. This is the motor for making water and supplying to this greenhouse. Here we can go for temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is used for detecting the temperature levels under. These are the Arduino. We are using microcontroller for taking care of these all activities under. This is also one controller for power fluctuations under. This is the LCD. We can continuously display the what are the activities we are doing, like temperature level, soil level, and this water level indication and CO2 level. Here is the CO2 sensor we are using for detecting the CO2 levels, and here we are using UV sensor. We can detect the light intensity and all. Here inside we have one fan also for controlling and monitoring these activities, and inside we have one more light also inside here in this greenhouse. Now come to the working activities. Here we are light intensity is there. We can check the activity of this light intensity. See, the intensity be less, then automatically light will be blown up in the greenhouse. We are getting this. See the intensity of light in the greenhouse. By reducing the UV level, then automatically our green it will reflect, light will glow up. Now we will observe deep levels of what are the activities is going on and what are the ranges in LCD display. Here we are getting this temperature normal, exhaust fan off, air value is showing. Now sending data to IoT. Soil value is -50, soil is dry, then motor is on. Then this time motor will on, then automatically water will pump there here in the greenhouse. See, motor is turn on, automatically water will pump there, then automatically soil will increase. Soil value is -15, so motor is on. Sunlight is right. Air value is it is showing showcasing here. Frequently it will send the data and it will showcase the what are the activities is going on. These values we can able to observe in Uniboards also. On software we are using their Uniboards in steeluniboards.com. There we can create one user ID with our credentials under, then automatically it will showcase. That also I will showcase now. Let's check it. See here I am getting everything. Time, everything, date, light intensity, last value, air quality index, humidity, thermostat, light intensity, everything we are getting here on live mode only. And finally, I am concluding that by using this technique, we can able to increase the accuracy compared to earlier one, and we can include this practically more important compared to earlier one. This bracket, so this we can control the saving water, soil levels, and managing the CO2 levels also.